All right, everybody. Welcome back to Smoking Swamp Outdoors. This video is about basic wood processing or harvesting tools. Um, Things that you can acquire if you don't already have them, to keep around your house, or your homestead, especially for people that have a homestead or whatever. You know, they always need a chainsaw at some point. Um, or for preparedness, prepping, power goes out. You know, you need heating or cooking material for wood, things that people can have on hand. Obviously, in an SHTF situation, gas only lasts so long. But a good, well rounded basis on what we do and what we keep. So I hope this video is informative, give y'all an idea. We like to cover just bare basics. So I'll start with an axe. I got an axe over in the far right here. Bare basics, an axe. Axes are great. You can take down any kind of tree. Obviously some are really, really big, but people, manpower, axe, you can get it done. No gas, no power, no nothing. Next thing is a sledgehammer and a wedge. Those are always a need. Get cut big old logs, something like that with a chainsaw. You want to bust them in half if you don't have a log splitter or something like that. Put your wedge in there, or two wedges. We've got multiple. I just figured I'd pull one out for the video. Put your wedge in there, hit it with a sledgehammer, and bust your log. Some other good stuff to have. Obviously, if it's people affordable, whatever it may be, a chainsaw. You know, at some point, I guess it doesn't really matter what kind of brand you have, as long if you are able to have one of some sort, it is very, very handy and helpful. But what we like to do is we like to have a good medium saw and a smaller saw. Especially a medium saw, because you can change the bars out, put different size bar and chain. A good lighter saw for lighter work. You know, whether it be if you have to take a tree down or something like that, a climbing saw. You can still put bigger bars and stuff on them, or shorter if you need to. But some good, well-rounded chainsaws, a good medium saw and a light saw can do a lot of your work. Some other stuff is a good hand saws. You know, if you ain't got gas or whatever, you're not able to, no access to chainsaws. Just like I said, your bare basics, your axe, a sledgehammer with a split with a wedge, and some hand saws, you can pretty much cover all your bases. I myself still have to get a bigger handsaw, some bigger handsaws, so that's going to be my preparedness item that I'm going to be getting here soon to add to the collection. Because they've got bigger two-people saws, as I'm sure a lot of y'all have seen. But good manual tools are what you want to acquire. I hope this video was informative. Give everybody an idea on what they can do. So hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more outdoors. And be ready for anything wild.